Okay, team, quick fire. Who's always the earliest?
Maka.
What about the first to take a break?
I'd say myself. Oh.
Competition. Who is the DJ noise?
This fella.
Who thinks they're good at safety? Why don't we refresh our minds? Mum always told me to clean up after myself.
Yeah.
So, always keep a tidy workbench.
Oh, yeah.
It takes courage to speak up, but it's important. So what do you reckon, team? Who's keen on the Puataunofo program to be the best at safety? Yeah!